There are 8 planets in our solar system. Can you name them all? If you can, then good for you, because I can't. I can only name 7 of them. I'm not counting Pluto. Pluto is not a planet, at least according to some people. But that doesn't mean it isn't interesting. We still have 8 really cool space oddities to talk about. And today we're going to discuss 2 interesting facts about each of them. Let's begin with the smallest one, Mercury. It's about the size of the Earth's moon, just a little smaller. And since it's so close to the Sun, Mercury has almost no atmosphere to speak of, so if you were to stand on it, you wouldn't be able to breathe. You would also get roasted like a marshmallow on an open fire. Mercury's surface temperature can reach 430 degrees Celsius. That's hot enough to melt most metals. Next up is Venus, which is similar in size to Earth. It's actually the closest planet to us in terms of size. But don't be fooled by its beauty. Venus is a hostile place. Its thick atmosphere traps heat very well. In fact, it's even worse than Mercury. The surface temperature of Venus can reach 475 degrees Celsius, which is hot enough to melt lead. Now, let's talk about Earth. It's the only planet that we know of that has life. Well, besides microbes, of course, and it's also the only planet that has an ocean. But our beautiful blue planet is not so great when it comes to size. It's not even in the top 3. Earth is the 5th largest planet in the solar system. Moving on, we have Mars. It's the smallest of the 4 gas giants. But don't let its size fool you. Mars is a very interesting planet. It has the tallest mountain in the solar system, Olympus Mons. It's 3 times the height of Everest. Mars also has the biggest canyon, known as Valles. It's so deep that you could fit the entire Grand Canyon inside of it. Now let's talk about Jupiter. It's the largest planet in the solar system. It's so massive that all the other planets could fit inside of it with room to spare. And it also has the strongest winds that have ever been recorded in our solar system. They can reach speeds of up to 618 kilometers per hour. Moving on, we have Saturn, which is the 2nd largest planet in the solar system. It's also the least dense planet. If you could somehow make it into a balloon, it would float away. Saturn is also the only planet that has rings. They are intermediate in complexity, halfway between the more extensive set around Jupiter and Neptune and the simpler rings found around Jupiter, Neptune, and Uranus. Speaking of Uranus, it's the 3rd largest planet in the solar system. It's also the coldest planet. The temperature of Uranus can reach -224 degrees Celsius. It's so cold that if you were to step on it, you would freeze in an instant. But Uranus has another interesting feature. It rotates on its side. Most planets in the solar system rotate on their axes with a slight tilt. But Uranus is almost perpendicular to the Sun. Scientists think that something huge has crashed into Uranus in the past. And finally, we have Neptune, which is the 4th largest planet in the solar system. It's also the farthest planet from the Sun. Neptune has the strongest storms that have ever been recorded in the solar system. They can last for years. Neptune is also the only planet that has been discovered by humans. All the other planets were known to ancient civilizations. So there you have it. 2 interesting facts about every planet in the solar system. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe so you won't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.